Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, tap yes agree, pick close, and tap to OK. After that, we can see here the information about our battery health condition, and in my case my battery is in good condition. So also we can see here more information like the battery health level, temperature, capacity, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.